Now let's understand. You come in with 999 trons, you're welcome. You sponsor at least two people in this example, and you keep the entire share 100% sponsored income no matter how many people you sponsor. After this, under you, level 2, 4 people, they do the same thing as you did, upgrade to 1400 trons to level 2. They follow the same suit, and you are their level up line. You get 80% from each, that's 4480 trons. Thereby, you upgrade to level 3 with 3,500 trons. 8 people on level 3 do the same thing, giving you a share of 80% each, making you 122,400 trons. After this, your level 4 upgrade with 8,000 trons. You have 16 people on your level 4 as you see, and they do the same thing, giving you an income of almost over 100,000 trons. That's the 80% share. Now, level 5, just 20,000 trons, and in level 5 you have 32 people doing the same thing, making you richer by 512,000 trons. That's over zero point 0.5 million trons. And after that, with just 40,000 trons, you upgrade to level 6, and in this level 64 people do the same upgrade and make you richer by over 2 million trons. Now, you've already become a millionaire easily, and with that high amount you're just putting in 80,000 trons and upgrading to level 7. 128 people follow the same course, and they make you richer by 8.1 million trons. Fantastic. And in the last level, you just put in 150,000 trons when you already are a super millionaire, and 256 people come in and make you earn over 30 million trons. Now that's the power of teamwork. And it wouldn't happen without the contribution. But how much? Just 999. So that's how powerful a team can be. A size as small as 512 people and an income as large as an unimaginable amount. Now each system has its own disciplines and terms and conditions. So we have certain things like the entry to our system is just by 999 trons only. The system follows a autofill mechanism as we understood. The entry to the nanomatrix is by choice after upgrading level 3, so you're free to choose or not to choose. Once you enter, you can't control. It's a self-driven automation program, and you exit only after completing the nanomatrix. And after completion of nanomatrix, you cannot enter before you actually have the entire set of people under you. So once you 100% complete your earnings from a previous matrix, only then can you enter the higher matrix. This is to ensure equal opportunity for everybody, else few people who have a lot of money can pump in the money and have an upper hand, unfair advantage. So this system is transparent, with clarity, and with an equal opportunity, same level playing field for everybody. That's the beauty of the system here. And if one wishes to, he or she can just upgrade all the levels in the Binarical matrix without upgrading any of the hybrid matrices. Each level has a 90-day validity. That are the levels 1 to 8 as we saw in the main frame. So after 90 days, you are required or requested to re-upgrade the level to earn the same income once again. So the recycling can happen and you can generate same money from the same team over and over again. That's an unended recycling process as we say. The re-entry has 3 conditions. Either you complete 90 days or re-enter, or either somebody who's done a great work and he's completed this entire set of matrices by filling in 512 people in a span of less than 90 days can re-enter before 90 days, or you can place a new ID from a new wallet and still re-enter before 90 days. So it's a choice which is left to you, however you want to do it. This is entirely a working plan, and the income will be paid as and when it's generated. So we are not a trading platform, no ROI, no generation, no investment, thereby no risk. And when there is no risk, we sincerely request that the entire income is on your efforts, and we are there to support you. And the word guarantee shall not be used in any context or any reference. So please do not missell or miscommunicate. In all good faith, hope you like the presentation. And what are we going to do now? Let's shape your financial future. Of course, After having such a powerful thing in your hand, the only thing left to do is contact the person who sent you this video, thank him, and make him allowed to understand how we can shape your financial future with just 999 crowns. Hope you like the presentation. Please comment below, like the video, share it so that we can help one and all. People are in need. Become a messiah for them. Do something good. Return to the society. God bless us all. Over and out. Thank you so much.